it's me, Evie, and I am coming to you from my front room. It's BoxyCharm time this month, and I'm excited to bring it to you. We have a little friend here in the background, Belle. 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 We have a little friend in the background. Hopefully she will behave and not think that I'm digging into food that she must have. So, I have the base box. The base box is a lovely little box that you can get delivered right to your door. It has 5 full-size items, and the joy that I have gotten from these boxes, being a subscriber to the subscription of the base box, I have been gifted the base box. This is gifted. Thank you, BoxyCharm. And the products I get to use, because I pay one price for the box for a month, to me can't be any better. I have got to try things. I have got to explore my likes and dislikes. And to me, that's what makeup's all about. And skincare, really. So I'm going to open this and we're going to get right to it. I have been trying very hard not to see any previews, or I'm using a ornament actually to try to open the box. They do love that sticker on the box that holds it together. Okay, I'm good. So this is the first look I'm getting of the base box. So we have our card. It's a pretty pink packaging card. And the theme for this month's base box is Gift of Glamour. I like it. We'll be hashtagging BoxyCharm Gift of Glamour and Boxy Gift of Glamour this month. If you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, save, share, do all the things. I would so appreciate it. So let's just jump into what we have. I will show you again the box. And the first product we have is Algenist. It's formulated with hyaluronic acid. And it is a triple algae eye renewing balm. Reduces the look of dark circles. So this is the product. Let's see what it, oh, it's like a firm texture, like a harder cream. It doesn't really have a smell. Okay, so this is a targeted eye treatment with enhanced algae technology, clinically shown to help reduce dark under eye circles, bags, puffiness, lines, wrinkles, crow's feet in just 10 days. It's formulated with Algenist patent and exclusive hyaluronic acid, a blend of red, brown, and green algae that synergetically, whoa, Boxy, you're making me work on my words here. Work by energizing and increasing skin luminosity. This retails for $68. I'm excited to try that because I've been having some issues. So the next product is a mineral-infused double cleansing mask from Mudmasky. Mineral-infused double cleansing mask, 3-in-1 formula. Deep cleaning, pore refining, restoring, nourishing, and hydrating. On here it says take off your makeup, wash with warm water, then put this on, apply it in circular motions, brush your teeth, do your other nightly chore of getting ready for bed, and then wash it off. Sounds easy enough to use. Let's do the smell. Doesn't have a smell, so that's good. So you're wondering, how does it clean? It's formulated with a blend of cleansing minerals and Mudmasky Signature Premium Moroccan Lava Clay. This effect formula aids in restoring your skin's pH levels, reducing redness, and preventing acne. Retails for $59. The next product we have is this pretty little box. It's Whish Beauty Vanilla Bean Lip Mask with Bakuchiol. I don't know what that is. Okay, are your lips missing the moisture they crave and desire? I mean, they could be better. This rich and buttery smooth mask melts deep into your lips as you sleep, providing long-lasting, intense moisturization. Say goodbye to those cracked and peeling lips and hello to a dewy, soft goodness. Okay, now this is a lip treatment that I can take the smell from. Lip treatments are hard, y'all. Like, they come and they'll be so good, but they'll smell so bad. This one actually smells good. It looks kind of a Vaseline texture, kind of. Oh, but that smells so good. Oh, I can't wait to use that. This retails for $32. I'm excited about that. Oh man, I wish I could get a perfume that smell. That is nice. This is Sophia and Mabelle's Satin Powder Highlight. So cute. I love when the packaging is like cute and simple. And pink, always pink. Oh, look at the packaging. That's so pretty. Let's look at the product. Okay, let's see what the card says. Your new secret weapon. The satin powder highlight applies lightly but builds with ease. It brings a blending glow to wherever you apply it, buildable without looking cakey. The satin powder formula glides on your skin with a satin finish, allowing for buildable coverage throughout the day. Peach Sangria is a shimmer copper with gold and light peach undertones. And this retails for $22. I mean, it might be a little dark for me, honestly, but it's really, really pretty. It doesn't have a smell. I don't know why I'm so, like, always sniffing things. But really, smell has a lot to do whether I like a product or not. I can do with no smell, but, like, too strong of a smell is just too much. And then the final thing we have is Luna Liner. This is a water-resistant liquid eyeliner, and it is cruelty and vegan-free. So this is a Luna Liner. It is a velvet pointed tip. I like the long tips. It just seems to work better for me. It says a vegan fade-proof water-resistant liquid eyeliner that features an intensely black ink for the ultimate eye definition. The micro brush tip glides on smoothly, dispensing just the right amount of liquid as you apply, so you're able to create precise definition where you want. This retails for $18. So that is the end of the BoxyCharm base box. I am going to list all these products in the description, and you'll be able to go there and see the names and everything spelled out correctly. And I will also leave all the information about the base box and where you can go to get one as well. This is a subscription box that comes to your door monthly, and with certain subscriptions, you can choose up to 3 products of your boxes. So go check BoxyCharm out. Let them know I sent you by using my code, and I hope that you're having a wonderful holiday season. Remember to be your own beautiful. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit that notification bell, and I will talk to you next time.